Good day. In this video, we're going to look at how to create specials in Lytsoft POS. So in Lytsoft POS, we've got three types of specials, which is discount, combo, and multiple special, and I'll be explaining to you how each one works. So the first thing that you want to do after logging into your back office, you need to click the three lines to open up the side panel. Then from here, you want to click where it says stock. So here under stock, you see there's where it says specials. You want to click that. So here, this is where you see all your active specials. So since we do not have any active special, we can just click here where it says add on the plus icon. Then here we need to name our special. So for example, if we're going to call our first special Black Friday, for example, like that. So we can select the type of special. So multiple is a type of special. So this type of special allows a customer to select multiple items. For example, this discount price only happens if you get a number of items. So here we can select when it's starting. So it's starting now, which is today, and ending, let's say, on Sunday. Then here we can specify a time frame. So for example, for select now to, let's say, or 12:05, for example, like that. So here we can click create special. So now once we're on this screen, the system now allows us to select the type of items that are on that special. So for example, if we say Fanta 750 mils is going to be on special, so you can see here saying the normal price is that. So trigger quantity, this is the quantity that will make this special be active. So if we say a customer has to get 10 of these for this discount to apply, so meaning they can now get it at 10 quarter like that, we can click add. So here it's just a matter of adding the items that we want. So for example, if we say Fanta 500 mils, as you can see here on normal price is nothing, but once we add the new price, you'll notice that we'll have it. So here, what you can do again, what's the trigger quantity for this one? Let's say it's 5. So this was the normal price. So we can set it to 11.5, for example, and click add. So as you can see, we can keep adding all the items that we want to be on this special. So we can now click back. As you can see, our special is currently active. So now let's see it in action. So if I open up my point of sale here, I'll refresh. So every time you change something on your back office, it's a good practice to refresh. So now here, if we search for Fanta and press enter, you'll notice our Fanta for each one of them is 12 quarter 0.04. So if I select this Fanta 5 times, you notice it will say special detected. And as you can see, the price is now 11.5, the price that we had set previously. So that's how that special is triggered, because we've made it that our trigger quantity is 5. So same thing with the Fanta 750 mils. For this one, we say it's 10. So as soon as I reach 10, you'll notice our special will be detected and the price will now be selling at 10. So same thing now, if we create a different type of special, let's say a combo special, we can click here where it says add. Then here we can select whatever name, or we can type whatever name there. Then the type, we're going to set it to combo. Then here it's starting now also and ending on Sunday. Time, I'll select from now. End time, you can select whatever time that's supposed to end. Once you're happy with the settings you've set here, you can click create special. So now from here, you'll notice you've got two sides, your group 1 and group 2. So what this means is, for this special to actually be active, you need to have an item on the group in group 1 and group 2 appearing on the same invoice. So let's say, for example, for this special, we want someone to get grape Fanta, for example. So if we say grape Fanta, normal price is 17. Then I'll add it in group 1. I want it, when it's on a special, to just be 15. I can click add. So this has been added to group 1. So same thing, here under group 2, I can add something. For example, let me check for burger, for example. So if I say burger here, then I go add it in group 2. So I can set this one to, let's say, 9.5. Then I can now click add. So now what happens is when these two appear on the same invoice, this combo will be active. So again, let's see that in action. So here we can go back again. As you can see, the special will be active. We can come back here on our point of sale. Like I said, good practice, refresh whenever you change something on the back office. Now, if we check for grape Fanta, like that, one, then we add our burger to this cell. As you can see here, you notice special detected. We are now setting this for 15 and 9.5 because those two items are appearing as a combo and the special is active. Okay, then we've got now the easiest type of special to understand, which is the discount special. So for this one, it just gives a discount for that particular time frame. Okay, so let's say Black Friday sales discount tab. Then here we can come date again. We can set it to whatever active time frame it is. So this is up to you to select the best time for you. Okay. So here we can click create the way we did with the previous ones. Then for this one, we just need to add the actual items. So for example, uh, 1 by 1 fruit top, 1.5 liter. So it goes for 30 quarter, but let's say I want to add this, let's say if you know what's the discount percent, so if I say 10%, it will remove 10% for me, or I can just come there and say I want to sell it for 20 quarter. So all these are options that you can use to do your specials. And the good part about this one, you can use it to get rid of old stock on your system by putting them on special where things can be sold at a lower price to avoid uh, them getting expired or getting damaged. Okay, so here we can click add. So now this item by default, as long as it's within this time frame, it will always be on that special. So for example, again, once we are done adding, we can click back. All the active specials are here. Then we can go back to our point of sale, refresh. Then from here now, if I search for that particular item, you'll notice the actual price is 30, but if I click on it, since it's on a special, you'll see it's now 20. So that's how specials work on Lytsoft POS. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. We'll easily get back to you with all the answers that you need to help you